At the end of October into early November, we said that this was the first major correction signal on Bitcoin within 3 years, and our expectation was that price would sell off to $70,000. And since then, that is exactly what happened. However, now that price has actually hit our target level, many people are asking me if this is the time to buy. And so what we're going to do in this video is talk about why we were bearish in the first place and go over if I think this is the potential bottom, because one of our two indicators that we use for our strategy is currently showing a significant discount range, and I want to cover it. To quickly recap, the main reason that we were bearish or thought that the bull run was over is because our main indicator within our long-term system, which is the monthly BX trender, showed a switch from green, which you can see at the bottom of your screen, to dark red. Now, when this indicator is green or light red, it means that we are in a bull market or a bull cycle. Guys and girls, if you only take one thing from these videos, only trade this type of market. Do not ever try to trade a market that is consistently selling off just because we're trading at a discount or you're getting a good price. You will seriously do better if you just overpay or get a fair value on a stock that has strength and is breaking out, as opposing to try to constantly catch a falling knife. Now, you will see that after close to 2 years, more than 2 years actually, of rallying, right back here at the end of October into the beginning of November, we got a sell signal. So October at the bottom of your screen closed red, which means that at the start of November, we remove all of our bullish thesis on whatever stock it is. In this case, it's crypto and Bitcoin. And we therefore put a bear thesis in place. Now, I do not short stocks. I do not short crypto. Whenever there's a bearish setup here, I just don't touch it. I just let it continue to pull back, let it come into a discount zone. Then we repeat the process all over again. So now you will see that since we ended up getting that sell signal, Bitcoin pulled right back down into that $70,000 target. And from lows to high has corrected about 44%. Now you'll see here in that analysis where my target was placed. The target was placed between $76,000 to about $70,000. The main reason for that is because normally if price is going to bounce, it will bounce at the market bias. Now, as I said before, the link to all of our courses are free down in the description. No credit card, no BS. We're not going to email you 1,000 times. The BX trender is under step 1. The market bias, which is going to show discount ranges, is in step 3. Now, this is a very important indicator on the monthly time frame because when price is trading below it, it's bearish. When price is trading above it, but pulling back into this level, this here is basically your discount or dip buy opportunity zone. If we look at a lot of different stocks, they will normally always bounce off of this support level. It's literally how we were able to call the bottom back in April, because in most cases, price is going to bounce off of this level. Now, the thing that I want you to understand is that even though we're trading at a discount right now, I'm not buying just because we're at the discount. This, in my opinion, is what separates long-term, not this next trade, but like long-term, next 10, 20, 30 years. The professionals, I don't care about a degree or any of that shit, but the people who know how to manage money professionally versus the people who are just going to bite at any discount opportunity. And that is not just buying because something is a discount, but buying because your technical reasons to enter and exit a trade are there. 95% of traders fail. 85% of those people have no reason to enter or exit a trade. They have no actual blueprint, no serious strategy as to what exactly constitutes an entry, what exactly constitutes an exit. And then if they do, none of them have the discipline to stick to it. So therefore, that's why so many people fail. So this means right now, Bitcoin is at a discount, right? Bitcoin is trading inside of this massive monthly fair value band / market bias. If you guys also have taken our smart money mastery course right here, you will know that we're also trading inside of the smart money zone. And so this level right here between 60,000 to 70,000, normally like 75% of the time is going to be the bottom. It's going to be the low. Now, with that said, am I buying? No, because even though I think that there's a good chance this could be the low, my requirement of that monthly BX increasing is nowhere to be found. And so the truth is, even though we normally bounce here, without the confirmation of buying pressure, this could continue to sell past 60,000, into 50,000, into 40,000. And so instead of just trying to catch this falling knife so I can get a good discount and screenshot that onto X or tell people, look, I was right, I'd rather wait for true confirmation. I'd rather wait for that monthly BX. I'd rather wait to see the increase. I'd rather wait to know that the trend has actually broken to the upside. Because look at this, nothing is showing the bottom other than that discount range. Everything else is showing massive selling pressure. So I'm going to continue to hold off at least until probably end of March, but I'll continue to keep you guys posted. I hope that this video helped. If you want to get access to all the free courses, like I said before, those and all of the indicators are down in the description. And if you want to actually take this system and implement it with me and my team, the link to our Discord community is down in the description. So over 2,000 other traders and investors who are following the same exact system. You get access to me directly. You get access to our workshops, our live streams, some more private indicators that we don't talk about here. And you also get access to the fund. So this is really meant for people who only have about 2 to 3 hours per week to put to the market, predominantly on the weekend, and are looking to buy and hold stocks based off of this type of strategy. Hope the video helped, guys. Link is in the description. I'll see you next.